Evet, şey. Vay yok. Biz ona ayrı.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is here we have water here and also we have a knife. Here at the village we usually use a stone. This is a stone here. This is a stone and then I want to make my knife sharp, wily. So what we usually do, you don't take it to a grinding where they make it sharp for you, but then here at the village we use a stone. First of all, I'll have to put some water. Use some water and then we do it. So if you want to cut a chicken, this is December. This is December. You have to make your knife sharp, and this is how we do it. At town, they usually use something that you just place your egg and you just put like this. It's called a grinding to make, I don't know how we call it, drop a seed comment maybe outside there, you know how you do it. But here in the village, this is what we usually do. Like, wow. I add some water again. While adding some water, it removes the stone, maybe, I don't know how we call it, some particles. And then we continue grinding. You have to be careful, or else it will cut you. So when it's testing, we usually do this. Let me show you. We usually do this. If I do like this, you will see blood already. But you do like this, a little bit of it, and then we continue. And then you turn the other side like this.
Hey, actually.
So you wash it, and then you let me try. Oh. Now we are going to try with this stick here. Very sharp. Oh, so drop a seed comment if you have ever done it like this. How you feel it, how you make sharp your knife like. Oh, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, share to your friends. I know you have amazing friends outside there. Thank you so much. So this is sukuma wiki here. Sukuma wiki means scales, and here in the village, this is what we usually eat. Change with having ugali. Either you eat with sukuma wiki or milk, or a meat stew, or a fish. But sukuma wiki is the best greens here, and it's an affordable prices. Like, so I have to cut it now because it's time now, and you have to maybe to start preparing as early as possible. This is the knife that I had been grinding outside there by a stone. So let's see how it is going to work like. See? It's very sharp. So you don't need to pay for it. Maybe when you are at the town, they usually use it. There is some grinding, so they usually grind it with a machine like. But here in the village, we usually use a stone, as I showed you earlier. And this is how it cuts here. It's very sharp like. You may wonder it is like it is new, but it is old. Drop a sit comment if this is how you do it at your village, because I know when you are at town there, you buy things like vegetables from the supermarkets like. Also, there are those ones who buy from the market like. You find that the vegetables are already packed like the kales are already packed while they are being cut, and you go and cook it like that. Yeah. So let's continue watching. Watch the video until the end. And if you are new here, consider subscribing, like the video, share. I know you have amazing friends outside there. Thank you so much. Let's move until the end. Yeah. Remember the vegetables are fresh from the garden. Otherwise, I didn't show you where we bracted it from. There is other people use cutting board like, but here at the village sometimes you don't have a board. You usually use your hands like to cut like this. But not all vegetables you can cut like this. Only the kales here. And then you should be careful while you're cutting, or else you'll cut your finger. You'll cut your finger like. There are those people who are selling skuma wiki outside there. You know you cannot go to the market with your board that you are cutting the skuma wiki like. you go with a basin. There is a claw. You have to go with a basin and your hand only with the knife. When you are selling the skuma wiki on the hawking places like at the markets. This is how they cut the skuma, but a big basin, not this small one. I've already finished cutting the sukuma wiki. This is the sukuma wiki, and let's see if we are going to. Well, this is we'll put this really. This is our cupboard here. This is our cupboard here. When you have washed them, you come and do them like this. So I have to put the sukuma wiki inside. So I put it. These are some water. We were supposed to cook ugali, but we don't feel like Yeah. So let's go with now. Cuma tayang macam. Rekodi gariuk. Na water di keranzana bukan. You know that it's a system of cold, and you have to feel it when you see it like this, like there's somebody was. We put it on fire, and I put some water. This is warm water. You have to boil it because we have the elderly people here. They don't want it like frying in the green. And then you remove it, but here we just boil it first. I'm washing it tonight, okay. Yeah, this my lid is just like woo. So we cover it. You leave it for like 10 minutes and it will be ready. Like, drop a set comment. This is your girl Rescue Mission, and if you are new here, go subscribe. We are heading to 2,000 subscribers. A few steps just to go and make it, please. Thank you so much. Hope you have a peaceful time. God bless you.